Namaste. On behalf of my school, I welcome the guests, the dignitaries, teachers, parents and all my DRRVMians to witness the Ram Ratna Vidya Mandir Investiture Ceremony 2024-2025. We are thrilled to have you here today with us and can't wait to show you all the amazing elements that we will celebrate together, starting with the Tilak ceremony.
चन्दनं वर्धते नित्यं पवित्रं पापनाशनम् आपदामहरते नित्यं लक्ष्मीस्तिष्ठति सर्वदा आदित्या वसवो रुद्राः विश्वे देवाः सपैत्रिकाः तिलकं मे प्रयच्छन्तु आयुकामार्थसिद्धये देहि सौभाग्यमारोग्यं देहि मे परमं सुखं रूपं देहि जयं देहि यशो देहि दिशो जहि.
May the excitement of today's ceremony enthuse you. May its enchantment surround you, and may the fellowship that we share create happy memories and smiling audiences. Let us wish that the light of education take over the darkness of differences, injustice and violence in the world and guides us towards progress, equality and freedom. We at Ram Ratna Vidya Mandir believe in tradition over trends. So let's go ahead with the lamp lighting ceremony and celebrate this beginning with the blessings of Ma Saraswati.
ॐ दीपज्योतिर् परब्रह्मा दीपज्योतिर्जनार्दना दीपो हरतु मे पापं पूजा दीप नमोस्तुते शुभं करोति कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शत्रबुद्धि विनाशाय दीपज्योतिर्नमोस्तुते अग्निज्योति सूर्यज्योति चन्द्रज्योतिस्तथैव च उत्तमं सर्वज्योतीनां दीपोऽयं प्रतिगृह्यतां साज्यं च वर्ति संयुक्तं वह्निनायोजितं मया दीपं गृहाण देवेश त्रैलोक्यतिमिरापहम्.
Thank you, sir, and thank you. May I now request all the dignitaries to kindly occupy their seats and witness the domain of RRM, which shapes global minds, Indian souls, and defines fathomless leadership opportunities which we offer.
Namaste everyone. Heartiest welcome to all of you to the Investiture Ceremony 2024-25 for Ram Ratna Vidya Mandir and the Gujarat Rajya Bhasha Divas. I am honored to welcome the chief guest of the day, Mr. Pramod Borade sir, the CFO, Meera Bhayandar. I have always been talking about tradition over trends, shaping global minds and the Indian souls. On that note, having an officer over here to motivate and encourage our students is really quite motivating. I would like to share some details about sir. Mr. Prakash Borade sir has studied BCom at Mumbai University and completed his MI in Fire in UK. He is PhD in Fire and Safety Management from European University. He has an experience of over 23 years in the fire service. Let's have a huge round of applause for the same. And let me tell you, he has been working as Chief Fire Officer for last 8 years now. Sir, we welcome you with the whole heart, and as a token of love, I would request respected Principal Ma'am to honor our respected chief guest with a vegetable basket as well as a token of love on behalf of Ram Ratna Vidya Mandir. Shweta Parmar ma'am, can we please make it quick? Let's have a huge round of applause. Ankita ma'am, let's have the music on. Let us vibe in with the rhythm and the harmony. And here comes our tradition over trends, wherein we offer something very organic, something really useful, something which is grown here in the Keshav Srishti campus, and something or a token of love which he could keep for his entire lifetime. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much, ma'am. And Himakshi, please take over.
काम करो ऐसा कि एक पहचान बन जाए, हर कदम ऐसा चलो कि एक निशान बन जाए। यहाँ ज़िंदगी तो हर कोई काट लेता है, ज़िंदगी जियो इस कदर की एक मिसाल बन जाए, ज़िंदगी जियो इस कदर की एक मिसाल बन जाए। Kamya, do you ever think we could be an example to the world out there?
Himakshi, definitely. The ample amount of opportunities we get at Ram Ratna Vidya Mandir through the student leadership program, which inculcates the values of being a great leader, teaches us the precisions needed to be a strong leader, guides us to develop skills to be a revolutionary leader, and enhances our minds to be a smart leader. The student leadership program offers a lot to us RRVMians to carve an exemplary leader out of us.
Dear Dhun, I always have been interested about the design thinking program which runs at our school. Let us guide and share details to the audiences about the same.
Definitely Himakshi. Innovation and creativity to solve problems and serve humanity has been RRVM's motto. RRVM's motto. Under the design thinking program, respected VMC member Mr. Fennel Shah sir has been guiding and training students to identify problems, create solutions and work on it. One of our visit to Wada, RRVMians came up with the idea of bricks, which would be the natural coolant. The Vridhashram, RRVMians came up with the idea of organizer and many more.
Through the student leadership program and design thinking, the school is reinforcing the importance of leadership qualities. The school has lit a spark in the young minds, and today we are celebrating the investiture ceremony to honor leadership qualities among students. Speaking of leadership, let's welcome the tiny tots of RRVM to hear what their thoughts are about being a leader.
सभी को नमस्कार। और आपके सामने पेश कर रहे हैं हम संत कबीरदास जी के दोहे। गुरु गोविंद दो खड़े काके लागू पाए, बलिहारी गुरु अपने गोविंद दियो बताए। गुरु गोविंद दो खड़े काके लागू पाए, बलिहारी गुरु अपने गोविंद दियो बताए।
गुरु गोविंद खड़े काके लागू पाए, बलिहारी गुरु अपनो दिन गोविंद दियो बताए। अर्थ इस दोहे से तात्पर्य यह है कि गुरु और भगवान दोनों मेरे सम्मुख खड़े, परंतु गुरु ने ईश्वर को जानने का मार्ग दिखा दिया है। कहने का भाव यह है कि जब आपके सामने गुरु और ईश्वर दोनों विद्यमान हो तो पहले गुरु के चरणों में अपना सिर झुकाना चाहिए, क्योंकि गुरु ने हमें भगवान के पास पहुंचने का ज्ञान प्रदान किया है।
अगला दोहा। ऐसी वाणी बोलिए मन का आप खोए, औरन को शीतल करे आप हु शीतल होए। ऐसी वाणी बोलिए मन का आप खोए, औरन को शीतल करे आप हु शीतल होए।
कबीरदास जी कहते हैं कि इंसान को ऐसी वाणी बोलनी चाहिए कि सुनने वाले के मन को अच्छी लगे। ऐसी वाणी दूसरे लोगों को तो सुख पहुंचाती है, इसके साथ खुद को भी बड़े आनंद का अनुभव होता है।
बड़ा भया तो क्या भया जैसे पेड़ खजूर, पंथी को छाया नहीं फल लागे अति दूर। बड़ा भया तो क्या भया जैसे पेड़ खजूर।
पंक्ति को छाया
लगे फल लागे अति दूर।
कबीरदास जी कहते हैं कि खजूर का पेड़ बेशक बहुत बड़ा होता है, लेकिन ना तो वो किसी को छाया देता है और उसका फल भी बहुत दूर और ऊंचाई पे लगता है। इसी तरह आप किसी का भला नहीं कर पा रहे, ऐसे बड़े होने का कोई फायदा नहीं है।
काल करे सो आज कर, आज करे सो अब, पल में प्रलय होएगी, बहुर करेगा कब। काल करे सो आज कर, आज करे सो अब, पल में प्रलय होएगी, बहुर करेगा कब।
अर्थात कबीरदास जी कहते हैं कि हमारे पास समय बहुत कम है। जो काम कल करना है वो आज करो, और जो काम आज करना है वो अभी करो। पल भर में प्रलय हो जाएगी, फिर अपना काम कब करोगे।
रात गवई सोय के, दिवस गवाया खाय, हीरा जन्मन मोल था, कौड़ी बदले जाए। रात गवई सोय के, दिवस गवाया खाय, हीरा जन्म अनमोल था, कौड़ी बदले जाए।
रात में मैं सोया और दिन में मैंने खाना खाया, इस तरह मैंने अपना पूरा जीवन गुजार दिया।
कुटिल वचन सबसे बुरा, जासे होत न चार, साधु वचन जल रूप है, बरसे अमृत धार। कुटिल वचन सबसे बुरा, जासे होत न चार, साधु वचन जल रूप है, बरसे अमृत धार।
कबीरदास जी कहते हैं कि कड़वे बोल बोलना सबसे बुरा काम है। कड़वे बोल से किसी बात का समाधान नहीं होता, वही सज्जन विचार और बोल अमृत के समान है।
पोथी पढ़ पढ़ जग मुआ, पंडित बयान कोई, ढाई आखर प्रेम का, पढ़े सो पंडित हो, पढ़े सो पंडित हो, पढ़े सो पंडित हो।
कबीरदास जी कहते हैं कि बड़ी बड़ी किताबों और बड़े बड़े ग्रंथों को कोई पढ़कर बुद्धिमान नहीं बन पाता। जो व्यक्ति प्रेम का 2.5 अक्षर भी पढ़ लेता है, वही सबसे बड़ा बुद्धिमान कहलाता है।
पोथी पढ़ पढ़ जग मुआ, पंडित भयान को, ढाई आखर प्रेम का, पढ़े सो पंडित हो, पढ़े सो पंडित हो, पढ़े सो पंडित हो।
गुरु का मान रखना, रिश्तों में मिठास रखना,
मानवता को सर्वोपरि रखना, सभी का मान रखना,
मन में सभी के लिए प्रेम रखना और अमृत की तरह अपने बोल रखना. Our students of RRVM from classes 1st, 2nd and 3rd have beautifully defined the perspective of what leadership means. Let us have a huge round of applause for them.
Attention, ladies and gentlemen, guests, esteemed faculty members, parents, and my fellow students. It is with great pleasure that I, Arnav Mittal, stand before you today to witness the grand march past of our school's investiture ceremony.
This event marks a significant milestone for our fellow students who have been chosen to take up leadership role within our school community. It's our privilege and honor to watch our student council showcasing the unity through the synchronization in the march past. He shall always lead by example. He should always keep the team first. He shall embody the core values of a school. A school captain is a role model for students. We have Master Ramdayal Prajapati holding the position of school captain 24-25. Let's have a huge round of applause for him. I request Honorable Chief Guest and Respected Principal Ma'am to confer the sash and badge on our school captain.
The role of vice captain is more than badge, popularity, or a fancy title, but a chance to make a positive influence in the school. So let us put our hands together for our school vice captain, Miss Harshita Kakaria. To confer the sash and badge, I would like to invite our chief guest and our respected principal ma'am.
CC helps a student to build several important life skills in areas such as leadership, organization, confidence, and socialization. Representing the CCA wings of RRVM, we have Miss Padlika Sudhani from class 10. Let's put your hands together for the CCA captain. To confer the sash and badge, I would like to invite Nandini Didi and Ankita Didi.
Sports and games help students improve their self-esteem, social skills, and confidence. Sports also teaches the students the importance of time management and discipline. To represent the sports section of the school, we have Miss Yasin Khan. Let us put our hands together for the school sports captain. To confer the sash and badge to Miss Yasin Khan, I would like to invite Kavita Nair Didi and Ram Sir.
hostel students become experts at managing their time, money, and resources. These students often mature quickly and are very independent in college and life. Ladies and gentlemen, we have a ladder to represent the borders. Please put your hands together for the hostel captains, Jeet Raj Purohit for Maharana Pratap, Mehak Singh Parihar for Gargi, and Aradhya Arivardhan for Maitri. To call for the session batch, I would like to call Uma Didi, Namrata Didi, and Praveen sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. Air, that is Samir element that represents lightness, motion, thinking, imagination, creativity, and harmony. Let us put our hands together for Samir House Captain Mehak Agarwal and Vice Captain Param Chopra to confer the session badge. Now, I would like to invite Bindu Didi and Amit sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. Fire represents all sources of energy. It symbolizes transformation and regeneration. Power cows of RRVM represents the element fire. Let's put our hand together for Power Cows Captain Vasu Jadwani and Vice Captain Jeet Jain. To confer the session batch, I would like to invite Vidyutma Didi and Meenal Didi.
Put our hand together for Neer House Captain Ved Patil and Vice Captain Pushkar Pradhane. To confer the session badge, I would like to invite Miss Dipshika Didi and Miss Komal Didi.
Thank you, sir and ma'am. Earth means Shakti, forms the foundation on which life flourishes, providing sustenance for plants and supporting diverse ecosystem. So let's put a hand for Shakti House Captain Meet Kikani and Vice Captain Naisha Nahata to confer the session badge. Now I would like to call Devendra sir and Seema Didi.
नेतृत्वाची गरज आहे का? कशासाठी? अन्यायाच्या विनोदासाठी, न्यायाच्या हक्कासाठी, सर्वांच्या विकासासाठी, समान भाव आणण्यासाठी, आनंदाचे भाव जापण्यासाठी. होय, नेतृत्वाची गरज आहे. नाव लेट अस पुट अवर हँड्स टुगेदर फॉर द गगन हाऊस कॅप्टन स्वस्तिका शर्मा अँड व्हाईस कॅप्टन रामेश्वर गोजरा. टू कन्फर द सेशन बॅच आय वुड लाईक टू कॉल मास्टर शिवकुमार सर and Pooja Yadav Didi.
Create environmental awareness among the school students for environmental improvement, to inculcate the culture of eco-friendliness and environmental conservation. So we have our school eco club secretary Dev Mittal and vice secretary Jia Jial. So to confer the slash and badge, I would like to call upon Balu sir and Jyoti Didi.
The Literary Club of RRVM is a paradise for thinkers, readers and writers. It is the place where students are free to think, read and write on the topic of their interest and choice. So let us put our hand together for our Literary Club secretaries Naomi Gupta and Tejas Verma.
I would like to say invite Aarti Yadav Didi and Pradeep sir to confirm the session badge.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Didi. The Commerce Club aims at building the self-confidence and increasing financial literacy among students. Students will get an opportunity to generate and discuss new business plan. This helps the student to become prospective entrepreneur. Let us put our hands together for Commerce Club Secretary Anshika Singh and Harshika Kakaria. To confer the sash and badge, I would like to invite Sunil sir and Mrs. Shweta Parmar Didi.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. Let's extend a warm welcome to the Secretary of the Science Club, who has taken a significant role in nurturing the passion of science, sparkling curiosity and motivating our students for exploring their own scientific interests. So now, I would like to invite the Secretary of the Science Club. They are Palak Singhania and Manet Bhatt. To confer the session badge, I'd like to invite Swati ma'am and Pawan sir.
Your commitment to promoting scientific knowledge and creating supportive environment for learning science.
Thank you, Didi. Thank you, sir. Devi Annapurna embodies the essence of nourishment and prosperity in Hindu mythology. Representing an aspect of the divine feminine, she is closely linked with Parvati and venerated as the abundant giver of food, highlighting her role as the provider of nourishment. You all got it right. Now calling up our mess in charge, Ms. Muskan Saini and Master Yash Devre as the deputy in charge. To confer the sash and badge, I would like to invite Kavita Wagh Didi and Aditya sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. As you all know, during the battles against Ravan, when Sri Ram, beloved brother Lakshman, fell unconscious, the Sanjeevani herb was a key to revive him from his dire state. So, Hanumanji, with his remarkable speed, retrieved the Sanjeevani from Durnagri Parvat. So, I would like to invite Shaili Singh and Darsh Joshi as secretary in charge and in charge of Sanjeevani, our dispensary. And I would like to invite Ruth Didi and Bhaskar sir to confer them with sash and badge. Thank you.
A vital role in RRVM school, prioritizing the wellness of all the members. Their primary focus will be to ensure that everyone feels comfortable and supported in all activities.
They serve as a reliable resource for students, offering assistance with any challenges any student may face. To confer the sash and badge to Master Adhiraj Gupta and Master Shaurya Shetty, I would like to call upon Mrs. Gunjan ma'am, Mr. Krishnakant sir and Mr. Rakesh Pandey sir. Thank you. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir. In recognition of Takshashila's rich legacy in education, revered as a beacon of knowledge, one of our school buildings proudly bears its name. To confer the sash and badge to the Takshashila prefects, Master Manav Thakur and Miss Swara Avinash, I would like to invite Tejas sir, Satyam sir and Siddesh sir. Thank you. Give a huge round of applause, everyone. बदल जाओ वक्त के साथ या फिर वक्त बदलना सीखो। मजबूरियों को मत कोसो, हर हाल में चलना सीखो। I will do more than dream. I will work. I will do more than teach. I will inspire. Ladies and gentlemen, let's witness the Ram Ratna Vidya Mandir School Student Council 2024-2025 taking the oath.
Namaste again. So let me tell you, maybe not everyone, but our council members are feeling the goosebumps. And let's take the oath. Dear council members, please be ready. We begin with the investiture oath. We, the office bearers of Ram Ratna Vidya Mandir, solemnly pledge in the presence of Goddess Saraswati and that of this assembly, that we will faithfully and diligently accomplish the duties and responsibilities entrusted to us for the glory of Uttan Vivid Lakshi Shikshan Sanstha and the honor of Ram Ratna Vidya Mandir. We pray to Lord Vidyaprad Hanuman to give us the grace, the courage, the strength, the wisdom, and the blessings to be faithful to our resolution and guide us in the discharge of our duties. in the school and outside. We swear in the name of God that we will bear the faith and allegiance to our institution, and that we will duly and faithfully and to the best of our ability, knowledge and judgment, perform the duties of our office without fear or favor, affection or ill will, and that we will uphold the integrity, dignity, and discipline of our institution. Thank you. I request Honorable Chief Guest and respected Principal Ma'am to kindly come on the stage to felicitate our peers. Let's have a loud music so that everyone enjoys, and the peers kindly be ready. The name of the peer mentors are Master Param Chopra, Master Pushkar Pradhane, Master Hardik, Pavan Vijay Kumar, Kamlesh, Arya Patel, Tushif Sinha, Jeet Jain, Yash Devre, Yasin Khan, Nomi Gupta, Sanika Agrawal, Naisha Nahata, Palak Singhania, Darsh Joshi, Dhairya Patel, Arush Rawal, Adiraj Gupta, Pranav Manjrekar. At the same time, I would like to share that we don't have Arush Rawal right on the stage because he is selected in the national level basketball team. He is representing school at the national level basketball championship right now when we are announcing his name for the peer mentorship. As well as Smith Raut has joined at the national championship with Arush. Let's have a huge round of applause for all the peers. Let's have the awards for the peer mentors on the stage. Let me tell you, it makes me really feel proud about the students taking up the responsibility and understanding that sharing is caring. Being an amazing mentor is okay, but what about being an amazing audience? There's only one task which we have to do is enjoy with them, celebrate their happiness and their achievement. तो claps तो ऐसे होने चाहिए कि मतलब ये म्यूजिक ना सुनाई दे, मुझे माइक का वॉल्यूम बार बार लाउड करने को बोला जाए. It makes a huge difference, ना? We still talk about Swami Vivekanand ji giving the speech and the claps which were given to him when he stood. So we talk about that. So it makes a difference. They had to come half an hour extra early to the school, as well as the peers to whom they have guided to the school. They had to come half an hour early, plan their day accordingly, and each day, every day from Monday to Saturday they have been there. As per the schedule, they were helping. Apart from that, whenever they got time at the hostel, they were available. In case they found some concepts to be difficult to teach in their own way, they approached the mathematics teachers. They approached me, Didi, how can we go about it? Is there any other method in which we can teach this? So I really feel proud about the students. They have already taken up one point which is very important about leadership, that is kindness. I think many of you would like to hear some kind of experience also of the peer mentor and the peer whom they have guided. So once the award ceremony is done, I would like to have them on the stage. At the same time, Pooja ma'am, Dua ma'am, you can kindly come closer to the stage. Congratulations once again. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much, ma'am. And as I said, we need to know how they felt about doing this task. So, Nomi Gupta and Swara, please can you just share your experience in short? Kindly take the mic from here. So, we have one of the other students. Congratulations. You can kindly take your positions for the other events which you are taking over. Thank you, sir.
Namaste everyone. So being a mentor was a really good experience, and I am actually very satisfied with our hard work, that our hard work was fruitful, and I have a feeling of pride watching Swara grow by the time. And it is actually, very grateful. I'm very grateful that I am a part of her academic excellence, and I would like to be a part of peer mentorship this year as well. So thank you.
Namaste everyone. Myself Swara Avinash from grade 8 and Nomi Didi was my maths mentor in grade 7th. Her mentorship was really helpful for me and my friends in the subject maths. She was positive and approachable throughout the mentorship. I thank Nomi Didi for giving me her precious time and making me comfortable with the subject maths. Thank you.
Now I request the PRO of Ramratna Vidya Mandir, Ms. Shweta Jha ma'am, to kindly come on the stage and do some sharing of thoughts with you all. Thank you.
Shweta ma'am. Namaste everyone. I'm really very happy to see such beautiful faces and colorful audience today. So audience ज़्यादा excited नहीं लग रही है. I think parents are not excited to meet children and children are also not excited to meet parents. Is it? No? Then make some noise. Thank you. So, RRVM, Ram Ratna Vidya Mandir, aspires to develop socially conscious Indian citizens of tomorrow who enlighten leadership in all walks of life. Means we are here to develop leaders. So students are leaders of tomorrow. And who makes them the leader? Can anyone? Audience? Who makes them the leader? I'm not getting any voice. Please.
You're confused, don't get scared. Whatever comes, please say. It's okay to wrong also, no problem. Nothing is right.
Who makes them the leaders? Okay. Yes, the teachers, the mentors, and the staff over here. So we take this such beautiful opportunity to felicitate, to appreciate such staff. So today we are here to felicitate 3 gems of our school. Can anyone guess? Students? I'll give you a hint. They are not teachers. 3 gems. Any guesses? Okay. आप लोग बहुत ज़्यादा ही शांत ऑडियंस बन गए हो आज. So I would like to call upon on stage the 3 gems of RRVM. Mr. Sunil Acharya, Miss Swati Singh and Miss Kavita Nair. Please give them the good applaud. Please welcome them on stage. They are all the time behind teachers, with teachers, among the teachers. They are not seeing day and night and they are making the leaders of tomorrow. Please welcome them and join us to felicitate them today. She is Kavita Nair ma'am. She is the junior section coordinator and very much keen about all the queries and concerns to respond immediate to parents. Sunil Acharya sir, he is all the time with students to mentor them, to guide them. And Swati Singh madam, there are no words. She is academic excellence head and section coordinator. So, thank you so much. So here in RRVM, as we are Beckham Residential School, we call it as home away from home. So we all are parents here and we really want some kind of appreciation and motivation to work upon all the students. Thank you so much and continue the clap. Thank you. Enjoy the rest of the program and happy Gujarati Rashtra Bhasha Divas. Thank you everyone. Thank you Principal Ma'am for this opportunity to felicitate such 3 gems. Thank you.
Namaste everybody. Really proud, more than proud I would say, not just as a mother, as a parent I would say, both me and Yasin's father, so is with the family. Proud moment, we're seeing so many shining stars today and I'm sure every parent, everybody present here, not just the parents but the students, teachers, teaching, non-teaching staff, it's every single effort जो ये स्कूल हर एक बच्चे के पीछे डे एंड नाइट ऐड करती है. बिकॉज़ अगर एक बच्चा आज इस लेवल तक आता है तो वो सिर्फ एक टीचर या एक पेरेंट के वजह से नहीं आता है, उसके पीछे कई एफ़र्ट्स रहती है. कुछ एफ़र्ट्स जो दिखाई देती है, कुछ जो नहीं दिखाई देती, जो कभी शायद रिकग्नाइज होती नहीं होती है, बट इट्स एवरी एफर्ट. I'm not prepared for this. I don't know what comes from my heart. I'm sharing this. Yes, as ma'am ने correctly कहा, 6+ years that I'm been here with the school. My child is here with the school. I would say from a over-pampered toddler to a very matured, independent child, what we see are Yasin today. And this is only because of every efforts of the school. This is a great and I think the only opportunity where I can thank everybody here. The first person, yes, I would want to thank very proudly is Shweta Jha ma'am. Let me say this. My Yasin was in 4th standard when she was here at the hostel. In 4th standard, the only youngest child and the only girl in her child of 16 boys. As a mother, as a father, what trust we had in the school, it came from her. Complete dedication. She was the first warden for our child. Complete dedication that she gave to our child, similar to other kids of course. But वो एक trust जो होता है ना, हम share करते हैं किसी से, वो उनसे share हुआ. Then yes, second most was principal ma'am. Almost after 1.5 months स्कूल में एक event था जब हम आए थे और मैंने मैम से जाके पूछा कि नमस्ते मैम कैसे हो. उन्होंने मुझे कहा आप यासिन के पेरेंट्स हो, मैं जानती हूँ. हर एक बच्चे के लिए जानना, हर एक बच्चे का फैमिली, हर एक बच्चे का बैकग्राउंड जानना इज़ नॉट ईजी एट अ प्रिंसिपल लेवल. बट वो आज की तारीख में भी हर एक बच्चे के लिए, मैं हर रोज़ फेसबुक पे देखती हूँ, हर बच्चे का जिस दिन जो बर्थडे रहता है ना, मैम पर्सनली उनके कैबिन में उनके साथ उनका बर्थडे सेलिब्रेट करते हैं. दिस इज़ नॉट ईजी फॉर समबडी एट दिस अथॉरिटी टू डू दिस. थैंक यू. तो वो जो अपनापन दिखता है ना, वो इस छोटी छोटी चीज़ों में दिखता है. पढ़ाई, स्पोर्ट्स, ये सब तो हर स्कूल करती है. बट वॉट मेक्स अ रिलेशनशिप, वॉट मेक्स योर चाइल्ड कम्फर्ट is what Ram Ratna and its entire complete team, teachers, staff, support, everybody gives. Really blessed, really proud कि हमने ये डिसीजन लिया कि हमारा बच्चा राम रत्न में पढ़ रहा है. कभी कभी पेरेंट्स को लगता है कुछ कि हॉस्टल बच्चों को इसलिए भेजा जाता है क्योंकि बच्चे का बिहेवियर या समथिंग प्रॉब्लम है. बट नहीं, यहाँ ऐसा नहीं था. सिचुएशंस वर डिफरेंट. द स्कूल अंडरस्टूड दैट एंड द स्कूल टुक इट. टिल डेट आई एम श्योर हमारी यासिन को, I would proudly say this, घर से ज़्यादा यहाँ प्यार और केयर मिला है. So we are very proud and please always support the school. The school is doing everything for our children. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Dua ma'am. Okay, so on the same note, I'd also like to invite one of our parents who joined us in the year 2021, whose three children are here with us, and two of them are the council members, the parent of Harsh, Harshita and Harshika Kakaria, Miss Pooja Kakaria ma'am.
नमस्ते एवरीवन। इट्स अ प्राउड मोमेंट। आज पहली बार ऐसा हुआ है जब मुझे हर्षिता की मम्मी के नाम से जाना जा रहा है। आज तक वो मेरे बच्चे थे, बट आज मैं उनकी मम्मी हूँ, सो द डिफरेंस इज इट ऑल। एंड आई एम ट्रूली ऑनर्ड एंड ग्रेटफुल टू स्टैंड बिफोर यू ऑल today on this special occasion of Investiture and Gujarat Bhasha Festival. As a parent, we are privileged to be a part of the school community where our children are nurtured, educated and inspired in every way. I mean, कौन से बच्चे के लिए स्कूल में शार्क टैंक ऑर्गेनाइज होता है या SLPs होता है, मैंने यहाँ देखा है। मैं कभी अपने बच्चों में लीडरशिप क्वालिटीज़ या आर्टिकुलेशन क्वालिटीज़ नहीं देख सकती थी, वो यहाँ पे आके रामरत्न में टैप हुआ है। सो इट सेज अ लॉट। और मैं जब आती हूँ तब एक अवार्ड, एक सर्टिफिकेट हमेशा रेडी होता है। नॉटी बच्चों के पेरेंट्स सोचते हैं अब मेरे बच्चे ने क्या किया, मैं भी सोचती हूँ अब मेरे बच्चे ने क्या किया, बस फीलिंग अलग होती है। तो ये जो छोटी छोटी चीज़ें हैं जो रामरत्न ने मुझे दी है, बहुत बड़ी है। एंड इसमें मतलब हर साल हर वर्क मैं जब आती हूँ तब मैं कुछ ना कुछ नया पाती हूँ। सो दिस इज़ समथिंग वेरी डिफरेंट फॉर मी। एंड रामरत्न के लिए तो मैं सारा दिन भी बोल सकती हूँ, वो मेरे लिए ऐसा हो गया है। एंड मेरे बच्चे अब गर्मी की छुट्टियों में भी आते हैं तो वो एक्सरसाइज करते हैं, सुबह जल्दी उठते हैं, ये सिर्फ रामरत्न कर सकता है मेरे लिए। एंड घर पे आने के बाद सबसे बड़ा प्रॉब्लम हर माँ का होता है कि अब खाना क्या बनाए, बच्चों का फेवरेट क्या है। मेरे बच्चे बोलते हैं मम्मी तू रहने दे, हमें रामरत्न में सब अच्छा ही मिलता है खाने के लिए। तो मतलब रामरत्न ने मुझे बहुत कुछ दिया है एंड आई थैंक यू, बहुत छोटा शब्द है उस चीज़ के लिए। And as it is likely said that Ramratna follows tradition over trends. And last but not the least, thank you so much and congratulations to all the leaders. They are shaping for tomorrow. Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you so much, Pooja ma'am and Dua ma'am. We also are the proud, like you are proud parents, we are proud teachers of these amazing students. When we make or come up with such a program, let me tell you, it's just 1 or 2 hours program, but the preparation time, the dedication, the planning, the first plan where we decide the flow, it takes a huge amount. At the same time, we have always been telling you all about a foster parent concept wherein there is one teacher who will act as the parent of a set of 8 to 10 students. You can always contact and coordinate with them. Just in case, if any parent you miss on the information related to the foster parent of your child, just drop a message to the respective coordinators or to the PRO ma'am, and we will be giving you the name of the foster parent just in case you miss on it. Otherwise, all the information will be shared on the group and on the email. Thank you so much. Again, the parents, before Vivan is already waiting since a long time to invite someone. Before he invites, let me tell you that the vibe of the auditorium also depends upon the audience. Claps पता नहीं क्यों कम लग रहे हैं, बहुत सारे पेरेंट्स दिख रहे हैं, बट जब ऑडियंस अपलॉड की बात आ रही है तो गड़बड़ हो रहा है। बट कुछ पेरेंट्स ऐसे ही कि लास्ट में बैठ के वहाँ से खड़े होकर भी क्लैप कर रहे हैं, तो उनके लिए तो अमेजिंग, यू ऑल आर रियली गुड। आप खड़े होकर क्लैप कर रहे हैं तो पता चल रहा है हाँ आवाज़ वहाँ तक जा रही है। सो विवान,
Now I request the school captain, Master Ram Dayal Prajapati, to deliver a speech as a school captain, as a leader.
Warren Bennis, a prominent figure in leadership studies, famously asserted, leadership is all about transforming vision into reality. Good morning, honorable chief guest, respected principal, distinguished guest, beloved teacher, proud parents, and my fellow students. I am deeply honored and humbled to stand before you today as we begin our leadership journey together. It is with profound honor that I address you today as our school captain. Firstly, I want to express my sincere gratitude for the trust and confidence you have placed in me. As a school captain, I am committed for serving the school community with integrity, dedication, and passion. I am completely moved by the dedication of our teachers, their commitment to guiding our growth, nurturing our mind, and shaping our future is truly inspiring. Together, let us embark on the journey of leadership, responsibility, and unity. As leader, let's inspire, empower, and strive for the excellence in all our endeavors. As a school captain, I pledge to lead with integrity, dedication, and determination. Together, let us strive for the excellence in academics, sports, arts, and all areas of school life. Let us embrace diversity and inclusivity, ensuring that every voice is heard, every dream is nurtured, and every talent is realized. This year, let's challenge ourselves to reach great heights. I am excited about the journey ahead, and I am confident that with collective efforts, we'll surely reach great heights. Together, let's support each other, inspire each other, and together, let's make this academic year one of growth, achievement, and memorable experiences. Thank you.
Thank you, Captain. Now, I would like to invite our beloved Principal Ma'am, a visionary leader, and an incredible speaker, Ms. Kavita Singh Didi, to kindly motivate our newly formed council.
Pranam everyone, and I welcome you all in the 2024-2025 investiture ceremony of Ram Ratna Vidya Mandir. My heartiest congratulations to all the members of Student Council, and we expect what we expect is a question, right? Anybody can guess what do we expect? We expect council heads and the team of prefects to be exemplary in behavior, to work with utmost sincerity for promoting culture of reverence and compassion, not only among teachers, parents, staff, but also with your fellow RRVmians. When we speak about reverence, sincerity, compassion, who comes as a role model? Anyone. Who comes as a role model? Who has all these values, skills, and it's a proud history that character is in our history or from our history. Anyone from parents, if anybody can guess. I'll give some example, some hint, not example. Our school captain name is Ram Dayal Prajapati, right? So that first 3-letter word of Ram Dayal, what is that first 3-letter word? Ram. So who should be the role model? Who should be the inspiration for all of us? Bolo? Sri Ram, right? Now on the occasion of Ram Navami, Fennel sir had given the significance about it. Now this 3-letter word Ram signifies many things. If we will speak, the time will fall short and we won't be able to complete, but few important for me to share with you all as council members are here and they are going. Letter is what? R. If you remember, R stands for what? Parents, role in relationship, right? Sri Ram has played many roles. Ideal son, ideal father, ideal guru. In fact, he treated his enemy also in very fantastically, right? So we can say ideal enemy also. Many roles we cannot count also. Now, all the stories, all the incidences, all the examples cannot be shared today, but two, yes, important. One as an ideal son. Now, how can we say ideal son? Parents, what is your complaint actually? Or children, can you tell me what is the complaint of parent? You have heard, Fennel sir. There's nothing new I'm sharing today. है ना, हम कहते हैं हमारा बच्चा ब्रिलियंट है, टैलेंटेड है, इंटेलिजेंट है. दिस ओनली वन प्रॉब्लम, सुनता नहीं है. एम आई राइट? I think you all will agree that this is complaint of all the parents. हाँ या ना? If you agree, raise your hand कि this is the concern. Children will, अच्छा बहुतों के सुनते हैं क्या? तो फिर ऊपर करो ना हाथ. How many of you face this issue? Many, as a parent even saying, I am also facing the same issue. So Raja Dashrath, he also had issue, but not this. कि मेरा बच्चा सुनता नहीं है. हिज कंसर्न वॉज कि मेरा बच्चा मेरा हमेशा सुनता क्यों है. दैट वॉज द कंसर्न. बिकॉज दशरथ, राजा दशरथ वॉज नॉट विलिंग टू सेंड राम ऑन 14-year exile, वनवास जिसे हम कहते हैं. बट देन राम डिडंट आस्क क्वेश्चन. एज इट केम फ्रॉम हिज पेरेंट, ही एग्रीड एंड ओबेड. इसलिए हम कह सकते हैं वो क्या है, आइडियल सन. सो माई डियर काउंसिल एंड माई डियर चिल्ड्रन, इट इज़ इम्पॉर्टेंट फॉर यू ऑलवेज टू लिसन टू योर पेरेंट्स, क्योंकि वही पूरे धरती में एक ऐसे एलिमेंट है जो निस्वार्थ सिर्फ और सिर्फ आपके लिए काम करते हैं. सो डू नॉट फॉरगेट दिस. सेकेंड, राम वॉज आइडियल शिष्य, डिसाइपल ऑल्सो. हु वॉज गुरु ऑफ श्री राम? किससे सीखा था उन्होंने? देखो, हमारा कल्चर तो हमें पता होना चाहिए कि नहीं, नहीं तो बच्चों तक पास ऑन कैसे होगा. हु वॉज गुरु? वशिष्ठ. वशिष्ठ थे, राइट. तो ही ऑलवेज यूज टू लिसन टू वशिष्ठ, नो क्वेश्चनिंग. सो इफ यू वॉन्ट टू ग्रो, इफ यू वॉन्ट टू बिकम समथिंग, you have to listen to them, your teachers. Your parents are also your guru, your teachers are also your guru. So don't go for the logic always. Don't go on debate. Just listen to them, because Ram also did the same. Ram didn't ask कि 14 साल में आप मुझे क्यों वनवास में राक्षसों को मारने के लिए लेके जा रहे हो. आप तो मेरे पिता को भी लेके जा सकते थे, क्योंकि पिताजी भी तो महान थे या नहीं, स्ट्रॉन्ग थे या नहीं. But then he didn't ask any question, and he accompanied Guru, because he was aware कि आज जो मुझे लेके जाया जा रहा है उसके पीछे कोई बहुत बड़ा विजन, कोई बहुत बड़ा पर्पस है. तो when teacher tells you something, you should follow, because teacher can see that vision which you may not be able to see at this moment. So if we carry these two values, if we can be ideal son, daughter, और आइडियल शिष्य, बाकी सारे जो वैल्यूज़ श्री राम जी के द्वारा हमें सीखने हैं, विल गेट कवर चिल्ड्रन. सो रिमेंबर, a great responsibility on your shoulder, and counsel does not mean, position does not mean power. Remember, it is only sharing your responsibility. We have to share the responsibility, we have to shoulder the responsibility. So once again, congratulations to you all. And generally I have heard people saying that काम में खुशी नहीं है, काम में खुशी नहीं है, काम में खुशी नहीं है, राइट? खुशी ढूंढने से या खुशी काम में ढूंढने से कभी नहीं मिल सकती, बट खुश होकर काम करने से खुशी और सफलता दोनों मिल सकती है. सो रिमेंबर दिस. थैंक यू वेरी मच. थैंक्स अ लॉट.
Thank you, ma'am, for sharing your thoughts. Now, I would like to request our Honorable Chief Guest, Mr. Prakash Borade sir, to kindly come up on stage and share his thoughts with us.
Namaste everyone. Welcome all of you. All the best. Thank you very much.
See, there are many examples of action speaks louder than the words. They work a lot in their field. They don't speak. So sir is one of them. So please give a big, loud round of applause to sir. Thank you very much for wishing them. Thank you very much, sir.
Sir, but to leave, we shall share some gratitude with sir, and we have a gratitude letter for you, which I would request Principal Ma'am to present right now. Shweta Parmar Ma'am, can you please hand over the gratitude letter here? Gratitude letter. Oh, I guess the team is ready. By the time we end the Gujarati Fest, at that time you won't be able to focus on the screen. So we are finishing it right away. The foster families of RRVM.